Hi, my name is Favor. I'm a mass communicator, and today we have a practical on hairdressing. Most of our individuals has made like few practical on them. Come look at it. So most of them are quite perfect, and most are still learning. They still tried a bit. You can see. So you can order most of us to make your hair tomorrow. That's the reason for the practical. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Paul of Learnings. So I decided to make a video on our ANT practical class. LASU, as a school of studies, is offering practical skills to students to complement their theoretical skills in classes. Since I'm in the best entrepreneurship class, I want to make a video of these beautiful people. The practical class was funny because we're learning about knotless braid. Look at how the females are getting it so fast and smoothly. The boys no try at all. Well, look at me, having my own turns. It's not easy to learn knotless braid. Oh, women dey try, maybe lie. The practical class involves everybody as we are invited to come do our part in the braid making. Few students share their experiences on the knotless braid, and the best class itself. Rihanna, see for yourself.
Good morning. My name is Ora J. I'm a mass communication student, and this is our ANT practical. So far, so good. My experience in this ANT workshop has been amazing, has been great. I've learned a lot of things, ranging from relaxing hair, retouching, knotless braids, stitches, and a lot of things. Even when it comes to barbing, ladies are not limited. They are still learning and everything. It's very, very nice. My experience so far has been very good.
Good morning, my name is Gift Monday. I'm in sociology department. Today we are making a practical on ENT, hair making. So far it has been a wonderful, it has been glorious, it has been wonderful. I've learned a lot from this, and it has added more to my knowledge.
So about our experiences during the ENT practical and hairdressing, I've learned a lot. Yes, I've learned a lot during the practical. From the first day to date, I've learned a lot, and I've learned so many ways to make hair. I've learned so many ways to apply our attachments, most of our equipment to use while making hairs. So you guys should kindly book me. Thank you.
Our beloved instructor also added our sweet instructive voices as the best instructor of LASU 2025 ANT class.
Good morning. I'm the instructor of hair making under Lagos State University. I'm taking them for hair making and hair barbing. So we've done a lot of weeks in the class, and we've done a lot of practical in the class. We're also preparing for our exhibition and exam. So today class we did knotless braid, and last week we did stitches braid and fixing, barbing, different styles of barbing. We did stitches also. Okay, I've mentioned that we did chemical reaction in a short form, retouching. We also did rolling and setting. We did various practical in the class. But for today's class, we did knotless braid. So this is our knotless braid done by my students, Lagos State University.
This is the end of today's video. Please go to support the brand as you hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. Check out our educational and personal development videos, and I promise you won't regret it. Bye bye.